Hello, Jay here with your Phuket weekly weather update. Look at the weather. Lovely. Now you can probably tell I'm not at the office today because it's Sunday and I decided not to go to the office. I stayed at home. That's my home, just there. Not here to talk about my home though, we're here to talk about the beautiful weather. Look at it. It's a bit blue sky today, it's lovely, but what's the weather going to do for the rest of the week? Well, luckily for you, Sean is not here today because he's had to be busy. He's always busy, so he asked me to do it again, which I don't mind because I am a weather guru. Some people call me John Ketley, some people call me Michael Fish because I'm a weatherman. That's a joke for English people and no one else will get it. Anyway, do you want to know what the weather's doing this week? Right, let's go talk to Jay. Jay, what's the weather doing? Hello. I'm Jay.
Jay!
Thanks, Jay. This is my friend.
This is my friend!
He's very annoying because he just repeats everything.
Very annoying, he just repeats everything.
So he's a little bit like me.
Like me!
That's right. No, that's right. I think the batteries are going.
That's right.
What? Okay, it's freaking me out now. Anyway, let's do the weather.
Okay, it's freaking me out now. Anyway, let's do the weather.
Are you going to keep doing this?
Are you going to keep doing this?
I think it is. Should we stop?
Should we stop?
Yes, let's turn him off.
Turn him off.
Okay. Good. Hello again. Right. Let's do the weather. As always, we're going to start with windy. Windy.com, and this is our windy that we're looking at right now. And this is today, which is Sunday the 9th, which is a day that I'm recording this, which obviously is pointless for you watching because this would already have gone. So it's in the past. So don't worry about this. But this is windy. And today is Sunday, and it is a little bit windy out there, which is nice. A nice cool breeze. Good weather at the moment. It's very nice. Now let's look at Monday. Monday 10th. Now remember, this is the week of love. Valentine's Day is coming up. Make sure you buy your roses and your chocolates and your stuff. I saw in 7-Eleven, they're selling loads of Kit Kats. If you're in Thailand, you want to send me some Kit Kats, please do. I like Kit Kats and Dr. Pepper. Right, you can't get Dr. Pepper in Thailand, but you can get Kit Kats. So send me Kit Kats. That's right, just go and search 5-Star Marine on Google and they have the address there and say Kit Kats for Jay with a big heart. Thanks. Anyway, weather for Monday, looking good. Now remember on the windy app, blue is good, purple is awesome, green is a little bit windy, yellow is really windy. And why do we care about the wind? Well, the wind actually dictates about the waves. So if it's a bit bumpy going down to PP, that's because of the wind. But also the wind can pull in the clouds and it can pull in the rain. So that's why we look at the windy apps. It gives us a good indicator of what the weather's going to be like for the entire week. So this is Monday. Monday doesn't look too bad. But then let's look at Tuesday. Tuesday looks amazing. So if you're going out on a boat on Tuesday, look at that. I'm going to go out on Tuesday because I'm going to do a video about snorkeling, which you can check out very, very soon. It's all about different types of snorkels and masks. Anyway, we'll do that on Tuesday. Because look at the weather. It's lovely. A little bit of purple and me's in this area. I think up here is towards the Similan Islands. It's very good. Probably a good day to go to Similan Islands. Wednesday. Wednesday looks amazing too. Now, interesting about Wednesday is you see the wind is kind of coming from all directions, which means it's not coming from all directions. It's going to be a nice still day. Loads of purple, loads of blue. Wednesday looks awesome. It's going to be hot though, I reckon, on Wednesday. Now, Thursday looks even better than Wednesday. Holy moly, it's going to be a lovely week. It's going to be a hot week, but it's going to be a lovely week. Thursday looks amazing. Look at that. Clear down in PP. Pangar Bay looks lovely. Up to Similan Islands looks like it's going to be very nice. Perfect day to go out on Thursday. Now let's look at Friday. You know what Friday is? That's right. Love time. Chocolate time for Jay. Kit Kats or nothing because us single guys get nothing on Valentine's Day. Sad. That's where editor Miguel put some sort of sad music up. Thanks, Miguel. Send me some chocolate, please. Kit Kats. Right then, anyway, Friday, the day of love, baby. Look at it. Looks gorgeous on Friday. This week looks amazing. It looks really good. And then let's look at Saturday the 15th. Recovering from Friday. A little bit more wind now. Interestingly, the wind's changed direction. It's coming now from the west, which is always northwest, which is odd. Strange direction for this time of year, so I'm not sure what's happening there. Let's see, because I've got Sean's paid extra for the windy app, so we can see a little bit further into the future. So this is next Sunday, so that's a week today, Sunday the 16th. The wind, once again, doesn't look too bad. Monday the 17th, oh, it looks nice. Look at this, purple everywhere. So the next week and the week and couple of days looks beautiful out there. Lovely jubbly, great day to go out on a boat. Now I wonder where I should go. How about PP? How about Pangar Bay? That's right, you could do both in one day if you want to. Be lovely. Right, Let's look at acute weather now. This is your standard weather forecast, which you'll see wherever you go. Now, take this for a pinch of salt. So it's got the temperatures all 32 degrees, Wednesday 33, Thursday 35. Thought it might go up because as we saw, there was no real wind coming up, so it's going to get hotter and hotter throughout the week. 34, that's stinking. Next Saturday, it says it's going to be 36. Wow, that's roasting. Please make sure you wear your sun cream, slap it on and wear a hat and drink lots of water. But it looks like it's going to be beautiful weather this week. Wow, stunning. Intervals of clouds and sunshine, that's right. We're looking at the percentage of rain. Now remember, when you see the percentage of rain, it doesn't mean it's going to rain all day long for that percent. It means it might rain somewhere in Phuket at some of the time. But we've got a 8% chance today, don't worry about today. Monday 2%, Tuesday 1%, Wednesday 0%, Thursday 1%, Friday 3%, and then Saturday, because it's so hot, 36 degrees, there's probably going to be a thunderstorm, so that's up at 55%. And then drop back down again to Sunday to 1%. That's bloody brilliant week next week. That's going to be stunning. Now, for some reason, we have to go to the TD weather radar for Phuket because Sean loves this, just to show you. Now, this is exactly right now, live. So this means nothing to you watching this because it doesn't change because it's right now at this moment on Sunday morning when I'm recording this at home because I didn't want to go to the office today. So there you go. Now, it's a TMD weather radar. But I think generally, it looks like it's going to be a fantastic week. Look, Thursday again, Friday again. I'm going out on Tuesday to do a video. It looks like it's going to be a brilliant week. Amazing week to go out on a boat. And if you haven't booked, you should because we do have a few left, but not many. We might have a few. If you want to go out this week, then definitely this is the week to go out. Right, that's your weather update. If you do have any questions about the weather whatsoever, just put a little comment below. And remember, most of you that are watching this haven't subscribed. So please subscribe. It helps me out. And Sean might pay me a little bit more money. Not a lot, but a little bit. And remember, if you like coffee or cold drinks, you can buy one of our thermos flasks. It keeps hot things hot and cold things cold. How does it do it? I don't know. Or you can buy one of our hats or one of our shirts, which is up there. There you go. Just go to our website, 5-star marine, Phuket.com, and click on the old merch button. Good? Got it? Great. Thanks for watching. See you again next week. Bye. Oh, hold on. Come here, you. Say goodbye. Oh. Say hello? Say goodbye. Oh. That's freaky. Is it this button I press? Freaky. There we go. Right, say goodbye.
Alright, say goodbye.
I should do it off camera. It'd be funnier, wouldn't it?
Off camera, it'd be funnier, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but don't repeat everything I say, because then they'll know.
Everything I say, then they'll know.
No, seriously, just say goodbye.
Seriously, just say goodbye.
Goodbye. Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Bye.
Bye.
I should stop doing this now.
I'm doing this now.
Go on, you can go now.
Oh, you can go now.
Bye-bye.